No, that looks a bit dangerous, doesn't it? Yeah, that does look a bit moody, that sky. Let's switch Louise on, we're not even talking. See if she answers. Hello, you there?
Yeah.
It's like the phone ringing. Yeah, that sky looks a bit moody, doesn't it?
Does a bit. Look at it over there. I'm not sure I think we're going to get wet.
I'm not. Look what I've done. I put my waterproofs on.
Look at it over there.
Yeah, it should be alright. That's where we're going, and it looks pretty dry that way, doesn't it? I did think we might get a sprinkle. That's why I got these winter trousers out. I noticed James's bike was going really slow up the hill then.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I have.
Not like him. He'll be feeling a bit frustrated with that.
Well, because he's running it in, because it's got a new engine, I've restricted the speed on it. I'm just chucking a bit more oil through it, so I know it's going to go slower, but maybe I've set it a bit too slow. I'll sort that out on the way back.
Literally like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
I can adjust that in Box Hill car park.
It shouldn't have been that fast in the first place, to be fair.
No, but 22 miles an hour up a hill, it's not enough. It's alright. Minor adjustment.
We're going to get fucking soaked.
Oh, that wind's picking up as well, isn't it? That's why you know it's going to get wet. Here it comes.
Oh no!
Uh-oh. Legs are going to go blue. Looks like a thunderstorm cloud.
I'm up for a really wet ride. In the dark, on the way back from the thing that makes my heart bloody palpitate anyway.
Just be a little shower. Be alright.
It wasn't on the weather forecast, it just said cloudy, but this does feel a bit like...
No, I think on the weather forecast when I saw it, it said better than this afternoon. So even if it was shit, it's still better than this afternoon.
Anything's got to be better than this afternoon. Normally, the day I go back to work, it's rain for the whole of the summer holidays. And then it's glorious sunshine when you go back to work, but not today. So it actually makes going back to work today even more moody than it normally would be.
Yeah, it's the end of September. Oh, it's no, we're beginning of September now, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's normally quite nice, isn't it? But you look at the middle of the road, that's like leaves there now, that you got to watch that, that's real slippy. That's sort of stuff you shouldn't have to think about till like autumn time. Horrible things.
Every time we go out, you give me something else to worry about.
No, just something else to think you've got to learn.
Really wet here.
It has, yeah. It's been raining here, isn't it? It's where I find out GoPros are not as waterproof as they say. This is horrible.
Oh, I don't like this.
Oh, Mum, what's going on? I can't see. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Or, i.e. Dorking.
Or...
Oh, isn't it nice not to get wet legs, though?
Running their car is like that. Those lot are mental. It's like when you see people running in the rain, you're like, you're crazy.
Yeah, I think about...
This is crazy.
I think anytime I see someone running, I think they're crazy, even in the dry. I don't get why you would run when you could just get on a motorbike. You get there so much quicker.
Should have put my bloody waterproof trousers on. But I haven't ridden in them yet, so I didn't want to ride this far and something be different, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. There is a pair of waterproof trousers in that backpack of yours. No, the blue ones I put in there for you.
Oh, okay.
In your little Dora bag.
Daisy Dora bag. I know, I need to change that. It looks decided.
We don't like the bag on the back.
I think I look like an idiot.
I think it looks quite cool, to be fair.
Right, we are Dilly mental. Not only wet, it's actually really cold as well.
It is. But as horrible as it is, if we're going to tour together, we're going to have to get used to this happening every now and then. Yeah. It's not going to be dry. We're just going to go places where it'll be lovely, 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 and then soaking. I think that's what happens when you go to Wales, I've heard. Like in 1 minute it's like summer, the next minute you're getting drenched. It's all,
Maybe we need to be a bit more prepared for it.
yeah, but they're all good little practices for you, aren't they? We're lucky because we don't have to commute. We can choose not to go out when it's raining, but we are going to get caught every now and then.
Well,
I'm only.
this was a choice, Paul.
It was
You
a
wanna go to
choice.
cocktails? Yeah.
This was a choice, but I've now got water running down my back. But there's pizza at the other end, so I've got to weigh up the.
There you go.
Got to weigh it up. And unfortunately, I'll take the water down the back to eat one of the pizzas.
Woo! What's going on? Whoa,
Oh, is it broken down?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not a very good place to stop. I don't want to do that. Oh, what's gone wrong with Jim Bob's bike? That thing is a bloody nightmare.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Do you want to just ride and get up on the path for mine so you're safe? Is it flooding again?
That proper seized that man, that like...
It's seized? Yeah, it's not a lot of two-stroke coming out of there. I don't want to seize it again. Oil tank is this side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the fuels.
I don't feel very safe here. I feel like... Woo! I feel like I'm on a...
Yeah, so you can get it up there quite easy.
Yeah. The whole thing does come off, it just tips out quite fast.
Yeah. I didn't finger on it.
That oil pump's obviously just not enough.
Then two caps are going to go, aren't it?
Yeah. It's a whole jerry can in there that's filled that, so we're looking at about 3/4 of a jerry can. Maybe 3 caps, it's got to be about 50 to 1, isn't it?
Yeah, run it mixed into this. We can ask one of these people, we leave it in your garden,
I'll come back and get it in the van,
and
yeah.
I can pick it up tomorrow morning. I heard it bang. I
Oh,
heard a bang. I felt that seize and like slip.
but the engine's not seized, so I don't know what seized there.
I felt like my back wheel seized.
If the engine seizes, it seizes, it don't... That should do it, I reckon. You better get that back on.
Yep. See you
Getting wet there, Mum. You should have just stayed indoors and
We
watched...
fucking mental.
What's that? Yeah.
Get some fruit to the car.
What's wrong with it?
We don't know. We just put some oil in the tank, see if that works. Oh, you enjoying your motorbiking then in the rain?
Rain? I'm soaking.
Could have stayed at home and watched telly.
I should have stayed at home.
Oh, it's all part of the fun, isn't it?
Hey?
Giving Steve's jeans a new try, see if they're waterproof.
You're gonna... I was just gonna say that, you'll end up with blue legs.
Are they not waterproof?
No, I've got waterproof in the back.
Oh, so's Louise.
It's fucking late now, isn't it?
Seem alright? Let me just give it a quick ride down the road and I'll check it.
Oh, would you?
Right. I'm gonna go and grab my dinner, I'll see you in a little while. Well, feels alright. Obviously compared to mine it's not going to feel very fast, but if we can get into Box Hill, which is only about 2 miles away, hopefully we can get it home. But yeah, I don't want him riding it if it's not quite right. So I'm just going to spin it around, take it back up the road. And doesn't help that this is one of the busiest roads around. We're like a pizza's delivering again. Weber's minging. 30 mile an hour, that'll do, won't it? Feels alright. I think what's happened is the oil pump that's
disconnected.
Alright, everybody's disconnected. The oil pump that's in the side case in there,
Phone disconnected.
I reconnected it with the old belt. I couldn't get a new one for it. at the time, and it still seemed alright. As I tested it, and I bench tested the pump, and it all seemed fine, but I think maybe the belt on the pump snap, something's gone, because that wasn't running with any two-stroke oil in it, and it sort of heat seized on him a little bit. So we've just taken some two-stroke out the bottom of the tank. Ian just pulled the pipe off the bottom of the engine, bottom of the tank there, and we just tipped some into the fuel tank manually, so hopefully that should get it back home so we can have a look at it, but I don't want to be unsafe on it. Yeah, it feels alright. Not very fast, but
maybe it's just running a bit lean.
yeah. I say I had set that pump up so I thought it was running more oil. Wait, where are you off to? I don't understand. Was this like Calamity Wednesday? Right, you got it? Oh, don't you two look funky in your waterproofs? I've still got a wet arse, so mine obviously are not quite waterproof.
I'm gonna get a wet bum.
My coat's not tucked in, is it? No. Yeah, I hate that when something breaks down. It's just sod's law, it happened on like a really busy road. It might have sucked in a bit of water, I don't know. Oh well, we're back on the road again. It's getting dark, here with rain. My hands are covered in two-stroke oil. Yeah. Oh, what's happening there? Someone else has broke down. You boys alright? Alright, no worries. It's like Calamity Wednesday, isn't it? I was just thinking that this is what happens when you talk too soon. I just said a little while ago how I was so clever building that engine, and I'm really proud of myself. And it goes and breaks down in front of everyone. That doesn't make me look too good, does it? But I'm hoping that mechanically the bits I've done are still okay. The bike hasn't seized and it's still running fine. There's just something wrong with the way it's delivering oil, so which is crap, and I've got to fix it, but I'm glad it's nothing that I've done that's wrong. Really nice to think I've fixed something successfully. Can't wait to see Louise's face when we get to Box Hill. When we was at home, she said, oh, well, I don't know if I can be bothered to come out. Look, what about the weather? I was like, it's fine, it looks alright. So she's taken my word for it, and she's really wet. Doesn't particularly like riding in the rain, just through lack of experience. Really, really nervous about going into Box Hill car park. So I feel like I'm just dragging her into hell here. Oh, it's very quiet, but there's a few there, love. There's a few brave ones out tonight. You want to park it the other way, James, really? You want to face it, don't want to park it facing downhill.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you want to turn it round so it's facing uphill.
Fucking hell, with that box on.
Oh, you got, I just noticed that, you got a box on. Did that just clip straight on, did it?
No, we had to put a plate on it.
Oh, okay. Oh, my gloves are minging.
Oh no, we've been going it.
Yeah, so it's still running alright now though. It's something to do with that oil pump, I think.
Was it running alright, that little bit there? Just slow. Slower than you're used to.
It needs running in, that's half the problem. It's. Well, there you are, that's us back at home now. That was an eventful ride, wasn't it? Blimey. We only went out on the last minute thing just because it was the break in the weather, so we thought we'll zip down to Box Hill and have a cup of tea and a bit of pizza. But yeah, tonight is going to be called Calamity Wednesday because that's what it's been. We didn't expect to get that wet, and James's bike to break down, and then we got further down the road and there was another bike broken down, and crikey, that's not our normal Wednesday night out. We normally just cruise there and back incident free. But yeah, the weather definitely caught us out a little bit, but do you know what, you're going to have to expect that when you're out riding a bike. You cannot have it great all the time. We've had it so lucky this summer that we've been dry most of the time, but there are times when you just get caught out, so it's great to go prepared. I've got my waterproofs, in my bag there, and Louise had her waterproofs in her little backpack, and yeah, it worked out really well. So we managed to stay fairly dry. So just go out prepared. You're going to get wet at some point. So, but it didn't stop us. We still got down to Box Hill, had a nice bit of dinner there. Didn't get any footage there at all because by the time we got down there, after everything happened, it was dark. So this camera unfortunately doesn't like filming at night time. So, but as you can see from this picture here, Box Hill looks amazing when it's dark. All the lights and the bikes in the foreground, and all the lights they've got in the garden there. It looks really nice. Had a really good evening. So yeah, if you like the video, just hit that subscribe button. There'll be plenty more videos coming up. We're going to be doing a lot more sort of autumn riding now. We're coming up. So we're going to be doing wet rides, dry rides, night rides. Going to buy some more gear, so we'll be able to do a review on a bit more gear. I'm potentially looking at buying some of the heaty gloves and the heaty jacket just to see how I get on, but I don't know. We'll see how the autumn pans out. So there'll be loads of videos coming up of Louise and I riding. So yeah, hope you enjoyed tonight. It was only a short video, but it got us out for a little while, didn't it? See you in the next one. Cheers.